We have to expand diagnostic and support services across all levels of education, and we have to promote legislative support through the Disabilities Act of 2014 to protect the rights of children with special needs. And as a part of all of this, we're looking to develop new regional student assessment and support teams to strengthen early screening and intervention. So in the regions, we'll have that focus. We're investing in professional development for teachers to ensure all educators are prepared to meet the needs of exceptional learners. We're looking to expand resources for assistive technologies in schools, including braille readers and communication aid for students with visual and hearing impairments. We're working to begin the implementation of Jamaica's special education policy, which will be a landmark in our country's education system. It's important. This policy will establish clear guidelines to support children with special needs, ensuring they receive accommodations, assistive technologies, and the individualized instruction they required. We're also obviously aligning everything with the Disabilities Act. It speaks very much to policy to interventions at the primary level. It mandates that all primary schools integrate inclusive learning strategies and provide targeted interventions for students with learning disabilities, behavioral challenges, and developmental delays.